Right now okay guys, so from the previous video you have know how to install the PlaSim. Now in this video I try to show you how to run it and post process it, because you have to know, right, how to post process it, post processing it, and that's gonna give you some file. Right now we run the PlaSim again with /dot/mouse.x. Now and choose PlaSim, Planet Simulator, and you uh, custom it to your preference. This, don't forget to check the while output and run with UI or not. It's your preference, and I only wanna run it to like a year, and so and save and run. Now wait a minute. Now when this will show the panel, the first panel is zonal wind. It's spherical harmonics, it's a temperature, it's zone wind, but in level 3, it's perceptible water, it's tracer level 3, it's time series, and there's tables where you can see Umax, TUM, T2M, precipitation, evaporation, OLR, and TS min. Now what you have to do is click the play button. It's a green one. It's the green. Right. You click it and it will run. And I'll see you when it's done. Right. The simulation has been done, and what you have to do now is click the red button here, the UH. Click it. Now click enter. Now if you go to cd PlaSim /run, now there's a file name as mouse.001. Now what you have to do is, now we must process it, post processing it. So what we have to do is cd outside the directory, and we change to processor, and if you ls here, there is burn7.cpp and there is a Mac file. Now what you have to do is install the sudo netcdf.conf. No, sorry. It kinda it's a bit tricky, so listen carefully. Sudo apt get install. Now while we're waiting for that, we search on the Google libnetcdf, search for the version of 4.2, this 4.2, 4 or whatever, as long as there is 4.2, it's okay, because when you try the 4.3, it won't. Or I'll give you on drive what I have. Right, so when you have the file, so when you done download the netcdf.cxx dash 4.2 tar.gz, you can copy it to your Ubuntu. Uh, you, anywhere you can place it anywhere, but I'm gonna place it in postprocessor. Yeah. When you okay, right now we have the netcdf cxx 4.2 in our Linux. So now we have to do is ls to see the file that it has been there. Now what you need to do is tar min zxvf netcdf 4.2 tar.gz. Now if you ls again, there is the folder. Now we get inside the folder of this netcdf6x. Okay, sorry. There is configure. What you have to do is ./configure, right? When you're done the configuration, now you need to install it, like ./install.sh. No, sorry. I mean sudo make where's we compile the file. Now we sudo make install. Now when you there is a prompt to say congratulations, you have successfully installed the netcdf C++ library. Now you are successfully installed the netcdf C++ library. Now we go back to the post processor. Now we clear. Sudo no, ls. Now we can go to make file. It's gonna be compiling the burn7.x. Now, if you are successfully compile the burn c7.cpp, now there'll be burn7.x. You see the difference? There is no burn7.x, but when you successfully compile it, there is burn7.x. Now when you done, we can do touch, make a new file. There is for the name list of the burn7 ls. Yeah. Now we edit the name list.burn7. Now if you come back to this, now there is a variable that you need to remember. There is vic type. There is your vertical type. There is sigma, and there is pressure. What we are going to use is pressure, because we gonna using the HPA, hectopascal, and the H type should be grid. If you see this, right? There is a kind of instructions on what is the name list part. As you can see here, there are feed type, H type, code, mode left, HBA, min, lon, slat, and netcdf, hat 7, mos, and multi. You can read in here. There is the what, the description of every min. Right. Now we are going to take only for the temperature. Its ID, it's DA, zonal wind, meridional wind, UAVA, and surface pressure. There's PS, and there is where is it? Total precipitation. Total precipitation. There is here, PR. Coming to the sudo, the code. There is DA for the temperature, UA for the zone wind, VA for the meridional wind, PR is for the precipitation, and PS is for the pressure. And in HPA we have 200 HPA, 500 HPA, and 950 HPA, and 1000 HPA. With lat and lont is 32. That's 32 point, and launch is 64 point. Mean, it's mean that we wanna have the data is monthly. It's monthly mean or monthly average. And netcdf if we want to have the file to be netcdf or NC. Now we save by Ctrl S and Ctrl X for exit. Now the command is very simple, burn7.x. It's the program name, and you can name it your name list burn7. The output file, it's gonna be burn.log, and your input. Oh, sorry. First you must do is link your mos.001, where I have it in PlaSim, run, and most. I'm going to link all my most, and dot mean we're gonna link it here, right? Now if you ls, there's most.001. Now we come back to the syntax, the first syntax, first command, that burn 7.x, your name list burns.7 with burn.log, and your output input file, there is mos001, and your output name, which I want it to be mos. Sorry, this cannot shared library. That's it. Oh, if you happen to have this problem, you can export it. Now, if you happen to have this trouble, you can input command export ld library underscore path equals to user lib xx60 underscore 64 dash linux dash gnu dot double dot ld library path. Now I'm gonna give the comment in my description, so you can copy it there, and what you have to do now is, alright, if you happen to have this error, burn while not loading libnetcdf blah blah blah, and you can use this command echo blah blah blah, and I'm gonna give you a the description. You just enter it, and if you run the command again, and it'll be working somehow. If you ls again, there is the mouse.nc file. You can use it in grad or anywhere. Now I'm gonna use it in grads. Sorry. Sorry, I'm very sleepy. uh oh, I forgot that grad not support the 360 day. Right now you have the, sorry, wrong. Right. uh, Now you have the moss.nc file, which only 1 MB because it's a year simulation and it's monthly data, so it's normal. You can use it in Python with xarray or grats, but I haven't used it in grats. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to click like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.